Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to create a secret in Azure Key Vault. So as part of this video tutorial, I will discuss three simple approaches to do this. The first approach will be how we can use Azure portal to do this. Second approach will be how we can use Azure CLI script. So let me navigate to the Azure portal to show you the complete steps to do this. You can able to see I have already logged into my Azure portal. So hope you have a key vault already created, or if you don't have also go with the key vault creation, then we'll come to the secret. So you can search here key vaults. The moment you'll do that, under services, you will find the search result key vaults, right? Click on that. Now, what you can do, you can click on the create button, create new key vault from here, or else you can click here also, right? The same functionality both having. So if you click on create a key vault, the create button, you will see create a key vault window, right? So here what you need to do, the first thing is you need to select the subscription that you want to use here. Here I have one subscription, that is Visual Studio Enterprise. I will select that. I will go with that. And here what you need to do, you need to create one resource group, right? Or else you can use any existing resource group by clicking on this drop down. I will go with the existing one, which is test KB. If you don't want, you want to create a new one, you can just click here and then provide a name and click on OK. That's it. Then enter a name for your keyboard. I will say Azure Lessons KB, right? And then region you need to select, and pricing tier I will go with the standard one because this is for demo perspective only. If you want, you can go with the premium as well, right? And soft delete option is enabled. Days to return the deleted vault is 90 days by default. I will go with the default option. Then purge protection, if you want to enable it, you can enable, or else you can disable. I'll go with the default thing, right? And rest all tab values, I will just go with the default value, right? I'll just show you by clicking on the next button. See here, I'm selecting Azure role based access control, which is recommended, right? Here I'm not doing anything else. And networking also the default option, right? Enable public access, allow access from all networks. So everything as a default option, I'm going with that. Next button I'll click. So tags, I don't want to provide any specific name value pair, so I'm going with the with no tags here, right? So I'll click on the review plus create button. The moment you will do that, you're able to see it will validate in backend and it will enable the create button in case all the values entered by you are correct, right? In case of any issues, it will show you the validation error here, right? So I will finally click on the create button. The moment I'll do that, you can able to see it started the initial deployment. So it will just take few seconds to create the keyboard. Once the keyboard is created, we will move to the next step to create the secret, right? So you can able to see deployment is in progress now. So it will not take much time, guys. It will just take few seconds. Just wait for that. Once it will create, we will create the secret. Now you can able to see the deployment is completed, which is successfully deployment is succeeded. You can able to see it here. Click on the go to resource button to see the vault that we have created. And if you remember, Azure Lessons KB is the name for our key vault, right? So now, as I told you, as a next step, what we'll do, we will try to create the secret, right? So in the left navigation, you will see the objects option here, right? So expand that. Here you will see keys and secret, right? So click on the secrets. So now if you'll see here, here is the option generate slash import. Either you can generate a secret or you can import also, right? So click on that to create a secret window will open. Here you have to select the upload option, which is manual, and the name of the secret. I will say, so I have entered a secret value here, and content type, which is optional. Set activation date. If you want to set any activation date, you can do that. Any expiration date, you can do that. Okay. And if I select here, so activation date is the today date, right? And expiration date when the secret you want it to be expired, right? So what I'll do, I will give exact timeline of 1 year, right? So that after 1 year, that one is going to expire. Then this is enabled, yes. and tags is zero tags. We have not any tags, right? So click on the create button. The moment you will do that, you can able to see creating the secret. An error occurred while creating the secret. If you'll see here, it is showing the operation is not allowed by RBAC. If role assignment were recently changed, please wait several minutes for role assignment to become effective. So basically, this error occurred because of the permission issue. So for that, what we can do, I'll just duplicate a tab and we will take the role assignment thing, right? So for that, you need to click on access control, IAM option, role assignment. So add role assignment, right? Role assignment. So here, what you can do, you can just search for Key Vault Administrator. You'll see here, this is Key Vault Administrator. Select that and click on the next button. Assign to user, right? Select a member. Here, what I'll do, I will just select my ID over here. So it is BJ. I will just click on select button and then review plus assign. Adding role assignment. Now, if I'll go here, we will just refresh this page once. Now, let's click on the generate class import manual. Here, I will say Azure Lessons SC, right? And enter a secret. I will say I have just entered a secret value, and this is optional. Activation date is to date. Expiry date is I will make it exact 1 year, and then click on the create button. So creating the secret Azure Lessons SSC is successfully now. If you can able to see it here, right? So this is how you can use Azure portal to create a secret in your Azure Key Vault, right? So same way you can also use Azure CLI script to do that. Okay, for that what you can do. So I have already written the script, the Azure CLI script to do this. Let me just go to the PowerShell ISE where I have already written the script. I will show you and I will make you understand there. So you can able to see, guys, this is the script. So this Azure Key Vault secret set is the main command. Okay, that will be utilized to create a secret value for a particular vault, right? Followed by the vault name parameter. This is the vault name. If you remember, Azure Lessons KV is the vault name that we have created in Azure portal, and name. This one is the secret name, right? So this is the secret name, and which I have mentioned testing as, and then the value is this one, right? Secret value. If you remember, Azure portal also by using the fast method, we have done in this way. We have provided a secret name and a secret value, right? So this is the complete command, guys. What I'll do, I'll just copy this and I will go to the portal. I will just click on this cloud cell, right? And it will start connecting to the terminal. Once it is connected, I will just paste the command and I will show you how it is working, right? Let it connect to the terminal first. Just take a second. That's it. You can able to see it is connected now. I'll paste the command. I'll press enter. The moment I'll do that, you can able to see it is successfully created the secret now, right? So to verify that, what you can do, I will just refresh this. You can able to see this testing as that we have created now, right? This is the secret basically that we have created, right? So this is how you can create, using the Azure CLI script. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you how to create a secret for a Azure Key Vault, and we have discussed two simple approaches to do this. Thanks again for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free Azure tips, SQL Server tips, helpful Azure PowerShell command, Azure CLI commands, and many more. Thanks a lot again, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye.